Dreaming of a tech career, but feeling stuck? Courses teach you theories. Industries ask for experience. But where do you begin? Introducing Huebits, a smart synergies platform where education meets industry, where learning fuels innovation, and where talent transforms into impact. At Huebits, you don't just upskill. You build, you create, and you lead. Huebits provides industry-ready programs with cutting-edge courses designed for real impact. Hands-on sessions with live projects and real-world challenges, which turn your knowledge into action. Huebits offers guaranteed internships and industrial experience that enable you to step into the industry with confidence. Hackathons enable you to innovate, compete, and turn ideas into reality. From brainstorming to building, every step brings you closer to real-world impact. This is where your journey from learner to leader begins. At Huebits, we don't just teach skills, we ignite innovation. We equip you to turn your passion into purpose and your skills into impact. Tomorrow's tech needs, today's innovators. Are you ready? Join Huebits, where tech talent meets industry innovation.